Somebody's gonna.
It's the boat races at the pool because that's the pool and the pool and the pool. Look at these boats though. They're cardboard. How are they gonna float on something that's 13 feet deep? So this is our pool room. It's a pool room in case you guys didn't freaking notice that. And we got a period off, so they're gonna do some boat races or whatever. Folds. We got some massive ass diving boards in the pool room. And yeah, it's a pool room. What the hell else do you want? Why does it make it feel like the fact that it's raining in the pool? Look at this. We're all getting ready. Our boats are over, not my boats, but some boats are over there, and it's crowded over here. Somebody blew an air horn. Okay, I guess we clap now? Okay, I'm clapping. Somebody's dressed as a cow. Happy early Halloween then. Lord, the whole frickin' school is coming in. They get front row? Are you kidding me, man? I can't hear myself. Holy shit. The first boat is titled Aquaman, okay. Everybody's cheering, I have no clue why. Woo. Yay? How are those gonna work? They are cardboard. Oh my god! One already fell. Come on here. Freaking camera. Bro, one already fell in. Oh my god. One already fell in. Wait, you're getting in the boat. Oh my god. Holy shit. They're in the deep end now. Jesus Christ! I've never seen people so excited over cardboard boats. Yep, they're happy. And the first boat's just laying there. Oh my god. You'll make it, man. Come on. Hey, he made it. Bro, the boat's all soggy. The Admiral. It's time for the next one. Here we go. Yeah, Jenna. Whoever the hell Jenna is, I don't know. One already went it? No, wait, he went to go grab something. I don't know. Alright, next round of boats going up, everybody. Damn! It's like the Super Bowl in here. Look at that one. Does that have a Nazi flag on it? Oh my god. Noah's Ark. That's their name. You go, Noah's Ark. The Titanic. Oh god, that doesn't sound right. I have no idea what that said. Damn. There goes one. Oh! Another one. Oh! Well, we already know who the winner is. Go. Oh my god. Go. You did it. Oh, that hurts. They won. To be continued in part 2, everybody.